Hi guys, my name is Tatiana, Life and Glow Wellness, and on this vlog I talk about astrology, metaphorical cards and self-development tools. Welcome if you're new here, and welcome back if you already know this channel. So do's and don'ts of Mercury retrograde. What to do? So do double check things, have some backup, be patient, resilient, respect others in communication. Make sure to, ask the right questions, maybe to double check some information, check the contracts, read fine print. You can return somewhere you've been before, that's okay. So, and then rediscover something, and you can go back to the projects which you started earlier and finish them or continue making them. Be prepared that things feel a little bit heavier and slower when Mercury is retrograde. At least that's just from my experience and observation. Maybe you will feel enlightened and very swift. I don't know, but that's just how I feel. Do research and do pay attention to not just the words, but something which is intuitive and beyond logic, so that you can rely on your intuition in some cases and just tap into something which is beyond the conscious perception. So also you can do journaling, you can remake something, recreate, redesign, reframe, everything and leave extra time and double check things. The do also is make sure you have insurance, some kind of protection plan, I guess. Now the don'ts is that don't sign important contracts, don't buy important things like I don't know, a house, a car, a computer. I wouldn't buy a computer during Mercury retrograde or around it. And also I would recommend to maybe consult an astrology if you really need to do that, to choose at least like the best of the worst times, right? So if I can say, be patient, be resilient, be respectful, because it might require extra energy from us and extra effort. Don't overreact. Be mindful of how you phrase things and also what you write. If you want to publish a book, don't publish the book during Mercury retrograde. Wait till it's over. Find a good date for that. But you can keep writing, that's okay. So it's better not to travel somewhere to an important place where you haven't been before, or especially moving there, because most likely you might have to come back. I don't want guys to program you, because that's just different for different people, but I'm just saying that such things happen. Share the video with people who might enjoy watching it, like, subscribe, and I'm always happy to read your comments. Let's learn from each other. Please share your experience, what happened during Mercury retrograde, what do you think influenced it, and so on. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay well.